Does Newton Crypto charge for withdrawal? Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. Does Newton Crypto charge for withdrawal? Before I get into the answer, I want to take a moment to talk about what Newton Crypto is. Newton Crypto is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to buy, sell, and trade a variety of cryptocurrencies. It's a great platform for beginners and experienced traders alike. Now, let's get back to the question at hand. Does Newton Crypto charge for withdrawal? The answer is yes. Newton Crypto does charge for withdrawal. The fee is 0.5% of the amount you withdraw. Here are some additional things to keep in mind about Newton Crypto withdrawal fees. The minimum withdrawal amount is $10. The maximum withdrawal amount is $100,000. Withdrawal fees are charged in the same currency as the withdrawal amount. Withdrawal fees are deducted from your account balance before the withdrawal is processed. How to withdraw from Newton Crypto? Now that you know that Newton Crypto charges for withdrawal, let's take a look at how to withdraw your funds. Log into your Newton Crypto account. Click on the Wallet tab. Select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Click on the Withdraw button. Your withdrawal will be processed within 1 to 2 business days. Newton Crypto is a great platform for buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies. However, it's important to be aware that they do charge for withdrawal. The fee is 0.5% of the amount you withdraw. If you're considering using Newton Crypto, I recommend weighing the pros and cons of their fees before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.